It's Sandra from Sandaroo Kids, and today we have a brand new episode of Morphle to check out, so let's see it.
Morphle! Morph into a motorcycle!
And the new champion of the world is... a little kid? Tell us, little girl, is this the most happy moment of your life?
No, Morphle and I think there are lots of things more important than winning.
Yeah, sure.
Hello, people of Earth!
Wow!
We are gathering the fastest racers from every planet to compete in the first motorcycle Grand Prix of the universe. And you are clearly the fastest on this planet. Follow us!
Morphle! Morph into a space bike! Watch out, Morphle! A meteorite!
Great move! Meteorites are the most dangerous thing a space biker can come across. Get ready. Set.
Great, Morphle! We're winning! Oh no! Look, Morphle! Comets! Lots of them! Well done, Morphle! We're gonna win!
Ah!
Oh no! Look, Morphle!
Oh! Oh! Ah!
Morphle, some things are more important than winning. We have to go save them.
Oh!
Morphle, add a sidecar to the bike.
Thank you for saving me, Mila. And Morphle. Unfortunately, you lost the race because you helped me.
That's okay. Some things are more important than winning awards.
Well, you might not have won an award, but there is something else you won.
Oh?
My friendship. Come with me. I will show you around in space.
The jungle. The best place for my favorite of hobbies. Wildlife photography.
Morphle, morph into a lion. Lions are the kings of the jungle.
You shouldn't believe everything they say on TV, Mila. There are no lions in the jungle. Lions live in the savannah. But I don't see any other animals here either. Ah, there's one.
Oh, hello, parrot. We made some new friends, Morphle. Hey, don't eat our friends. Morphle, look! This elephant got stuck. Morphle, help him out. Wow, monkeys! Morphle, look!
Mila, there you are. I finally got a picture of an animal. We can go home now.
Can we stay for a bit longer? Morphle, the king of the jungle, likes it here.
Mila, I told you, lions are not from the jungle, so they can't be the kings of the jungle.
Oh no! Not my beautiful hat!
Mr. Mayor, what happened?
Oh, Mila, it's terrible. I was just walking around in our beautiful city thinking mayoral thoughts when someone drove by and stole my hat.
Don't worry, Mr. Mayor. We're on the job. Morphle, morph into a search dog.
Hold it right there. I saw who took the hat. It was you.
Morphle?
All right. What's going on here?
There you are, you thief! Give me back my doggy!
Are you saying Morphle stole from you?
Morphle would never do that.
Yes, he would. I just bought a birthday cake when Morphle drove by and grabbed it from my hands. Are you all sure it was Morphle?
Yes!
Well, well. Morphle a criminal. Not in my city. I'm going to have to take you to the police station, Morphle.
No, please. He didn't do anything.
Looks like they're gone. You can come out now, Yorn. They all think Morphle stole their stuff. Oh, this must be our best plan yet.
Yeah, let's steal some more.
Morphle, no criminal!
Don't worry, Morphle. I will prove you're innocent.
No! Give me back my apples!
So the bandits took all the stuff.
I can't believe it! Morphle took all my apples! Don't worry, sir. We've already caught Morphle. But it happened just now. Outstanding police work, if I say so myself.
Morphle didn't do it. It was the bandits. I saw them with my own eyes.
Now, Mila, you can't go around blaming everything on the bandits. Bye-bye now.
Ooh! Morphle, I know who did it. The bandits stole everything. But no one wants to believe me.
Mila, catch the bandits!
But I can't do it without you, Morphle.
Morphle, no catch! Morphle, a jail!
But I have an idea. Can you still hear me, Morphle?
Morphle here! But where go? Where go?
Give me back my tools, Morphle!
Sounds like trouble. Go down, Morphle. Don't worry, Joe. We're on it.
What? Another Morphle?
Faster, Morphle. We almost have them.
She's too fast, Dine. She's going to catch us.
We'll see about that.
No, 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 no. Slow down, Morphle.
Not so fast now, are you?
Morphle, turn around quickly.
Huh?
Again. We've done it, Morphle.
Yeah!
Shh, shh. Quiet, Yorn. How did you get out of jail, Morphle? Trying to hide all your stolen loot, I see.
That's not Morphle. Those are the bandits.
Hey, wait a minute. This isn't Morphle.
That's what I've been telling you all along.
All right already. You've caught us. Uh-oh. I might have made a slight mistake. I'm very sorry I doubted you, Morphle. Of course you're not a criminal. And in light of your outstanding police work, I'll make you honorary police officers.
It was fun pretending to be Morphle. Right, Stein?
It sure was. Morph into a plane, Yorn.
No, you morph into a car, Stein.
I'm scared to get hit by the ball. But you did great, Troy. You stopped it. Yeah.
Hey, kids. We want to play soccer against you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great. But since you are in a team with your friends, we can play in a team with our friends, right?
Sure.
You could come out now.
Uh-oh. Are you sure we want to play these guys, Mila? Of course. We have a great team, too. That's our goal.
And this is our goal.
Okay, let's start the game.
I'll be the referee.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. The game starts in 3, 2, 1.
That's a handball.
Nuh-uh. No, it isn't. It didn't touch his hands.
Go! It's 1-0 for Team Bandit. Yeah!
Mila, over here. Yeah, I scored. Go.
Oh, it's 1-1.
Oh, stop it, Morphle. Spider! Thanks, Morphle. Go! Woohoo!
It's 2-1 for Team Morphle.
Huh?
Goal for Team Bandit. Yeah, it's 2-2.
I was sure the goal was right behind me. Don't worry, we have the ball again.
Oops. It seems our goal is now inside the Bandit Mobile.
That's not fair.
Bandits are never fair.
Let's go after him.
Got it.
Oh no! Yeah!
You can't fly, ha ha ha.
Airplane!
How can we open? Aha! That red button opens the glass sphere. Hit that button, Morphle.
Yeah! Now they score again!
Oh no!
I'm gonna score for Team Bandit. Bye.
You're scared of a little ball? I'm gonna shoot. That was fun. I can do this all day.
Stop playing around. Morphle is coming back.
Uh-oh.
Morphle, help Troy!
Quickly, score!
What?
I scored!
Oh no! It's 3-2 for Team Morphle. And the time is up!
We won! You did it, Troy! Hooray! Yeah, woohoo! I love playing dress up! Morphle, morph into a knight's armor! Arg! I'm a pirate! I'm a witch!
I'm a dragon!
Those costumes look great, but please don't make a mess when I'm gone. I just cleaned the room.
Yes, Daddy, don't worry.
Great. Have fun.
I am a knight. I protect the people of my kingdom.
Knight Mila, please help! There's a terrible pirate at the docks.
Oh no! Of course we'll help. Let's catch the pirate, Morphle. I am Pirate April. I am the best pirate in the world. Stop it right there, pirate. Huh? I am Knight Mila, and I'm going to catch you. Oh, no, you won't. Oh, no. Morphle, morph a sword, too. On guard. Oh no, you've caught me, Knight Mila. But I have a ship ready. Whoa! And the ship has a cannon. Look out, Morphle. Let's go after her. Morphle, morph rockets onto the Night Zoo. Oh no! We've caught you, Pirate April.
Roar! Ha 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 ha! I am a dragon! And now I'll set your ship on fire!
Morphle, morph your sword into a shield. A flying barbecue. Pirate, let's catch the dragon together. Yeah, I'll shoot water balloons at it. Aren't you forgetting someone? Oh, no. Uh-oh. It's the witch. I am the most powerful witch in the world. We need to stop her. I'll help.
Me too!
We need to work together.
But how?
I've got an idea.
You have defeated the most powerful witch in the world!
Ugh.
Oh no! Mila and Morphle, I told you I just cleaned the room.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, Morphle. It's finished. With my latest invention, you will be able to morph just like Morphle.
Cool. I'm the cat. Now you can't catch me. Try and catch me now. Ah, yeah! Great idea, Morphle. Let's play dinosaur. I know which dinosaur I want to be. The biggest of them all. Wow! The Argentinosaurus! Slay! Look at my giant tail! Oh no! The invention broke! Now I can't morph back into myself!
Professor Rashid!
Yes, you're right. I have to go back to Professor Rashid. But I'm so big! I can't get past those trees. Morphle, morph into a crane. Oh no! Morphle, I'm stuck! Morphle, morph into a giant robot.
Wow!
I'm so sorry, Professor Rashid. I broke your invention, and now I can't morph anymore.
That's all right. I'll have it fixed in no time.
Mila! Morph into Mila!
You can have this back, Professor Rashid. From now on, I'll leave the morphing up to Morphle. Yay! Let's start building.
What is all that noise?
Oh, hello, Mr. Vanderboos. We're building a treehouse. It's going to be our clubhouse.
A clubhouse? In a tree? What nonsense! Besides, building a treehouse is really difficult. There's no way you can do that.
I think we can do it, Mr. Vanderboos. You'll see. Now, first we need to make sure all the planks are the right length. I don't think scissors are going to be strong enough. Morphle, morph into a saw. Now let's put them together.
Look at these amateurs, Barky.
I think we need some nails for that. Morphle, morph into a hammer.
That looks nothing like a treehouse. It hasn't even got a roof. Well, that is not half bad, I suppose.
And now, let's turn it into a real treehouse. Morphle, morph into a crane. Crane? Yeah, crane. Crane, crane, crane. Woohoo!
Well. Look at that, Barky. It's actually a decent treehouse.
Halt! What is the password?
I'm Morphle now.
The password is Morphle.
Morphle!
Whee! Yay!
That is the most beautiful treehouse I have ever seen.
Come on, Morphle. Let's go get April and Troy and have a party in our new clubhouse.
What's the password?
Huh? The password is Morphle.
Wrong. That's the password for your club. If you don't know the password for my club, well, you can't enter.
Well, then our club will have a picnic on the grass instead of a party in the clubhouse. Hey there, Barky. Do you want to join our club?
Can I join your club too?
Of course, Mr. Vanderboos.
That's great! Then why don't we have a party in our clubhouse?
Morphle, morph into a race car. Look, guys. I have a real race car.
I have a race car too.
Where is it?
Right here. Vroom, vroom.
I have a race car too. Yay, Morphle! We're in first place. But look, there's a tree blocking the road. Morphle, morph into a kangaroo.
My car could just jump over it.
No, it can't. Cars can't just jump over stuff.
Well, mine can, because it could grow robot legs.
My car could grow unicorn wings. Whoa, watch out! It's lava! Morphle, morph into a rocket ship!
My robot race car has super booster rockets.
My unicorn race car has a magic horn. It can make magic portals. Let's see how you can keep up with this. Rocket ships can go really, really fast. Hey, where are Sarah and Troy? Let's go back, Morphle. Hey, guys, why didn't you keep up?
Morphle is way too fast for us.
You know what? Why don't you guys join me inside Morphle the rocket ship? We can share.